play CS2 Faceit. So if you want to play CS2 Faceit, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and you need to search for Faceit. After that, Faceit will allow you to play CS2. Here you will have all of the games. So you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have an option of connect game. So click on connect game, and then you need to connect your Steam. As you can see that it has Counter-Strike 2. So you need to connect your primary platform account to start playing CS2. So click on connect Steam, and you need to connect your Steam account with this Faceit. And after connecting your Steam account, you'll be able to play your CS2. Once you click on connect Steam, it will ask you to sign into your account. So you just need to simply go with your username and your password, and then click on sign in. After that, you'll receive an email verification code. So go with your mail in which you've received the verification code, and here you need to copy this code. After that, go back and paste it right here, paste that right here. And after that, go with sign in, go with allow. And after allowing, after connecting your Steam, it will take you to the CS2, and you'll be able to play your CS2 Faceit. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.